Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Wednesday, 22nd of May 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I do urge you to check out the description of this video for the link for the Telegram room. At times when there are important updates, I could reach to you there, guys, and I could deliver those updates to you if needed. Also, I do urge you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis as usual right after a quick recap. On the last trading session of Tuesday, we've been waiting for important economic data to be released from the United States. We'll start with the Fed Chair Powell speech. He mentioned or he commented on the any actions to be taken on the monetary policy that the trade talks are still going on and it's too early to judge. Redbox month-to-month and year-to-year both came below forecast, and the existing home sales month-to-month and existing home sales for April both came below forecast. Gold was on the supply most of the day, and as the economic headers started to appear less than forecast, gold managed to recover from 1,269 to 1,274 plus, and with the combination of a strong dollar and rising equities, gold recovery was stalled at that level. In our last episode, we mentioned that gold is in a bearish setup, and as long as fundamentals does not change, gold price shall decline more, and this is what happened. And we said that short-term rallies, which did not happen today, are a good chance for entering market as a seller. That's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Wednesday, we'll be waiting for the following economic headers to be released from the United Kingdom: the PPI input and PPI output, inflation report hearings, and the CPI year-to-year and month-to-month for April. That's all from the United Kingdom, all to be considered as market movers. Moving on from the United Kingdom to the United States, we'll be waiting for the following economic headers to be released. Fed Williams and Bostic, they will have speeches to be delivered throughout the day. FOMC meeting minutes is very important, and the mortgage application, mortgage market index, those are with low importance. That's all. We'll move on now to technical indicators. On the last trading session of Tuesday, we have had a trading range from 1,269 plus to 1,277 plus. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. For the gold spot price, closing price, it's expected to be above 1,273. The US equities are rising and the US dollar is rising. Also, we have to watch for this. For the daily simple moving averages, for the 20 days, it's 1,282. For the 50 days, it's 1,290, and for the 100 days, it's 1,296, and for the 200 days, it's 1,256. We are still below the 20, 50, 100 days daily simple moving average, and above only the 200 days daily simple moving average. For the RSI readings, 1 hour is 45 in neutral, and for the RSI 4 hours is 33 bearish, and the RSI for the 1 day is 40 bearish as well. Still from the RSI wise, we are in a bearish setup. For the support and resistance, we look for 1,272 as a strong support, followed by 1,270 and 1,266, then 1,262. This is a very strong support. For the resistance, 1,278, 1,285, and 1,288. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Let's start with the good news. We are back, and we hope that technical difficulties we have been met with in the last week are no more existing. I will take the chance to introduce you to this idea. We are a new YouTube channel, that's true, but we've been there for more than 5 months so far. And some of you by now are friends more than subscribers. I do urge you, please, to promote this channel as if it's yours. Just imagine that with the time we become 5 to 10,000 active members. By that time, we will not be only just a regular YouTube channel, we will be more of a market player, and we at times can take advantage of the price movement and deploy and perform some trading strategies which will benefit us and make us make real money. Please think of it and work on it if you believe in the cause of the channel. One more thing that some of the members have raised the idea they wish to donate to the channel or to raise some funds for the channel in order to enhance the content of the channel. We welcome this. If you do believe in the cause and the content of the channel, you can find the link for the donations in the description of the video. Thank you guys, and we will continue our regular video as usual. For the trading strategy, trend is bearish and the is still negative. We are below all the daily simple moving averages except the 200 days daily simple moving average. The US dollar is rising and is in a very good bullish setup. From a technical standpoint, gold is still in a bearish setup. We still expect to see 1,255 minimum this week. This is pure technical, and based on it, the short-term rallies, if it happened about 1,280 to 1,285, it's a good chance to enter the market as a seller. Now, what are the fundamentals that we have to pay attention for? Let's look for the trade war between US and China and any escalation in that. Let's see the tension between US and Iran and any escalation in this subject. And let's look also for the fact that the tech giants, Nasdaq, like Google and Amazon, have been dragged into the trade war. So we have to see the updates on the two companies. Also, we will be looking tomorrow for the FOMC meeting minutes, though doubtfully it's carry any important inputs to the market, but it could create some volatility. So the advice based on all what we have said so far, if you are ready in a sell in a high level like 1,296 and above, it's a time now to drop some of what you have sold there. If you are in a sell in a low level, you stay at your sell and will protect your position. The possibility for the gold to rise is big time less than the possibility for it to decline. If you are out of the market, as we said, sell at rises. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.